You rake it down, walk away, and you turn around. What did that old blonde guy say? That's the part you throw away. I want that beggar's eyes, the waning horse, a tidy Mexican divorce, saying Mary's prayers, Houdini's hands, and a barman who always understands. Will you lose the flowers? Hold on to the vase. Will you wipe all those teardrops away from your face? And I can't help feeling as I close the door, I have done all of this many times before. But all of your letters burn up in the fire, and time is just memory mixed with desire. That's not the road, it's only the map. I say gone just like matches from a closed down cab.